level is low. This water pump is leaking. You have to move this away. Then we need to get the access there, so we have to remove the engine mount, move the alternator away, take the cover. But first we need to support the engine. Engine mount goes away. Use this water pump pulley. This is Torx E8. Timing belt cover, rocker cover, move the cables away. Cover off, and as well bottom cover from here, because we need to drain the radiator. Screws here on the cover. Bolt. Otherwise we won't be able to take the cover off. Take the spark plugs out. It's going to be easier to turn the engine. Aircon belt is off, and cover stuck. Alternator bracket. Put it back. And just before top the center. When you're doing it at home, this is going to be a main obstacle. This crankshaft pulley bolt. Luckily for me, I can use the wrecking bar and support it here, and use the pipe bar, and hopefully we'll go. Managed to loose this up. It's a rather physical challenge. This is the only special tool you're gonna need to do this job. It's not expensive. This is a crankshaft locking tool. It goes in here. Yeah. Okay, the screws is loose, but I still managed to turn the crankshaft just before top the center.
Why? What did it do that?
Lock the pin. As you can see, the locking tool is there. You cannot move it any further. The car is in the top center. You can see the camshafts. They're right on top, they're not touching walls. And this bar only fits in top center there. I'm gonna tap it. This bar might need a little tap. Just on the cover here, just for. And you can see here, water pump is leaking. Now we can remove that bolt. Drain the radiator. Remove tensioner. Now the water pump. Okay, the water pump is out. It was leaking here for a long time. We've got a new paper gasket here. You don't have to put any silicone or anything. Yes, water pump is new 9 Newton meters. Crankshaft has to be dry because it's a loose fit. New tensioner. Now we have to lose the bolts from the sprockets. Ford recommends to have some kind of tool here. It's a waste of money. You can just put a braking bar in here. Put the bolt. Don't release the tensioner yet. It has to move freely. With the new ball, I'm using the kit already. Now we can tighten it because we have the support of this locking tool. It's important to do this first because when you're tightening, the pulley is moving, and if you tie the sprocket first, it's gonna move the bolt, and the bar will never fit. Oh, what can you hear here is 210 Newton meters. We tied the sprockets with 60 Newton meters. You can see I've got the pin. Now remove the bar. Oh. Remove the locking pin. Now you're gonna give it complete revolution. And okay, just before top the center, put the locking pin back. Turn it to the end and see if the bar fits. If it does fit, it means everything is alright. Yeah, and it does fit. It can be above a tapping in, but I can see it's alright. Okay, it says 3 Newton meters first. And then 9. But if you don't meter tool, you can just hold the normal wrench close like this and just tighten fairly tight, not too strong. Ball comes with that kind of tool. Okay, when the belt is on, just keep pulling this flat 19. Last thing to do is this aircon bolt. When you buy a bolt, it comes with that tool. Okay, filled it up. Just to put this cover on.